What is going on, you guys? This is Tech HD coming at you with a brand new unboxing video, and I am super excited for this video because the company SKINIT has sponsored this video and has provided me with a couple of things. So if you guys are not familiar with SKINIT, it's basically a brand. It's basically a company that provides skins for all sorts of things, whether it's for your phones, your consoles, smart devices, all of that. And I'll have links down in the description below so that you guys can go check it out. You guys may have heard of D-Brand and Slick Wraps, and SKINIT is part of that as well, and they have a variety of different things, as well as you can create your own custom type of skin. So you can add a picture, you can add your logo to your phone or to your console, anything like that. So there's really, the possibilities are endless, and you can be very creative with it, especially if you know how to do a little bit of graphic designing and use a little bit of Photoshop, because they give you templates as well. So once again, I will have links down in the description below, and what they provided me is a couple of skins for a couple of my things. So I have skins for the Amazon Echo Dot, I have it for the original Xbox One, and I have it for my smartphone, which is the LG V10. And this, if you guys aren't familiar with my color scheme that I like white and red, and I like carbon fiber. So they provided me with white and red carbon fiber skins for all three of those devices. So we're going to be taking a look at this. We're going to be seeing how this looks like. I'm going to be seeing what type of combination would look good with the stuff to make it look good in my setup, and then we're going to see how it really is, and we're going to see if it's really worth it or not. Also, I want to let you guys know that since SKINIT is sponsoring this video, they have provided me for you guys a code that you guys can use to get 20% off any type of SKINIT that you guys purchase. So if you guys use the code TechHD, it's all one word, no space, nothing like that, and I'll have it linked down in the description below as well. If you guys use the word TechHD, it will give you guys 20% off on anything that you guys purchase on their website. So go ahead, try it out, and I believe it ends on May 31st, if I may be correct or not. I'm not exactly sure. But without further ado, let's get in the video. Okay, you guys, so now what we have over here is this little folder, and it says SKINIT on the top, make it yours. And if we flip it over, we got the show off your style, hashtag SKINIT made. So basically, let's see how this goes. Okay, so we just lift this open. Okay, so it seems like we got a whole bunch of the skins right here. So we got a couple red carbon fibers. Looks like that we have the red carbon fiber for the phone, the LG V10. I'm gonna link all of these skins that they provided me in the description so that you guys know as well. We got the white carbon fiber as well, so I'm gonna mix and match and see how that goes. This is probably for the console. So this is for the Xbox One. This is the original Xbox One, so the big one. And I might be upgrading to the Xbox One X soon. This is the white one, and this one's the red one, and these are the white ones for the Echo Dot. So let's see how that is, and I believe that's it. I'm not sure what these are, I forgot. This might be for the console, or it might be for the Echo. I'm not 100% sure though. But oh, this might be, no, this one actually might be for the Echo, because it looks like that the cutout is right here for the back for the plugs. Okay, so this one might be for the Echo, but I'm not 100% sure, so I'm gonna have to check that out as well. So now we got all the skins, and I like how it has a nice texture as well. So it's not like just like piece of paper and then that's it. This actually has a nice little texture, so that's pretty cool. So it feels good quality. So now I have no idea how I'm gonna mess around with this, which one I'm gonna start first. I'm probably gonna start with my phone first, and then the Echo Dot, and then the console, and see how that works. Let's try that out first. Alright, you guys, so now what you guys are hearing is a voiceover, mainly because I did not want to talk during this entire process, because I did not want to mess up at all with any of the devices that I was actually putting the skin on. So you guys are hearing the voiceover, and you guys are watching a time lapse of me placing it on the LG V10, as well as the Echo Dot and the Xbox One. Now, the easiest one was actually the phone, because I decided to remove the back cover of it, since this phone is, you're actually able to remove the back of it, and it was a lot easier to place the red carbon fiber. And I like how all the devices are perfectly cut out, so it's the only way you could really mess up is your own fault. So it's not like the buttons or the cutouts for the buttons or anything like that is misaligned or anything like that. Those are actually perfectly cut, which I really like, unlike other companies that tend to mess up a little bit. But when you go to something like SKINIT or dbrand, there's really no way that you can mess up unless it's actually your fault. So with the LG V10, it was perfectly cut out, and so it was really easy to put the red carbon fiber, and then working my way around to put the white carbon fiber as well. That one was easy as well. I just aligned it with the speakers and the camera. Everything went perfect. Now getting into the Echo Dot, that's when it got a little bit difficult. Placing the red carbon fiber was easy. I just aligned it with the buttons. Now when I went into the white carbon fiber, that's when it got a bit more difficult, because I wanted to make sure that it was all perfectly aligned as I'm going around the Echo Dot so I wouldn't mess up, and it did. So I successfully did it on my first try. Sometimes I peeled it back a little bit and then redid it again to make sure that it was perfectly aligned with the other end of the cutout. So that was all good. Now getting into the Xbox One, that was easy as well, because the white carbon fiber perfectly cut out, perfectly aligned, and I liked how my Xbox One has so many scratches for all the years of having it, and it was like a glossy white. It was all glossy on the top, but now putting the white carbon fiber, it looks pretty new, and I don't see any of them scratches anymore, so that's really good as well. As well as the red carbon fiber, I just matched it with the button as well as the cutout for the disc tray, and it was all perfect, and they turned out amazing. So I'm like really hyped of how this all turned out, and I'm really glad that now I have a red and white setup theme around my consoles and my products, and not just my table and my room or my lighting. Now I have it on my products as well, so I'm really hyped about that. So there you guys have it. These are the final results, and I am super happy with how it turned out, and it is pretty crazy. So we got the Xbox One over here with the white carbon fiber on the top as well as the red in the front. We got my LG V10 phone with the white on the front and red on the back, as well as we got the Echo Dot with red on the top and white on the side. So this looks pretty insane, and I'm super happy with how it turned out. And you know, it's really, I like how these are perfectly cut out, and the only way you could really mess up is through human error. So like, you mess up and not like, oh, this is not cut out exactly, because I've seen skin companies and they're not really exactly cut out perfectly with the circles, with how anything really when it comes to a phone, a controller, a console, anything like that. But SKINIT really makes it perfect. And the main issue that I had was the Echo Dot with this white piece, because I wanted it to really match and make sure that it was perfect. And you know, this isn't perfect. I know that the front isn't perfect or the phone isn't perfect. Nothing like this is perfect, but it is as close to it as it could be, as I can make it to be, because my hands shake a lot. And the reason why I was doing those voiceovers is because I wanted to really be focused into it and not talk while doing this, and not focus in talking and also doing this at the same time. So I really wanted to focus and make sure that this came out perfectly as I wanted it to be, and it did, and I'm super happy with the results. So there you guys have it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Huge shout out to SKINIT for providing me with these products as well as sponsoring this video. Once again, Tech HD 20% off on anything that you guys use, and it is valid until May 31st. So 20% off whatever you use in their website, link down in the description below. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so that you guys can be notified that I upload every single week. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. I can't do it. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitch. As always, Tech HD. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace!